Hi developers, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil and this is the last part for React, Redux and Saga tutorial series. In this part we will learn that how we can clone and run our project on a local machine. And why we are making this video, because see, many of you developers actually know that how we can use Git and all, but might be there is some fresher guys or they don't have idea about Git and all. So that's why this video can help them to run that project in a local system, and they can also use that code, right? So as you know, I am just pushing my old code on GitHub whenever I will just making all these videos, and now I just merge all of these videos code in my master branch. So let me show you the repository first. So here you can see that this is my GitHub account, and let's click on the repositories and go to the React Redux Saga repository, and now you can clone project from there, or you can download the zip from here. So guys, if you want to clone it, then and if you have a Windows machine, then you must have to install git bash, and if you have a Linux machine, then don't worry, git is already installed there. So now you can just directly download click on the download button link also, but I will suggest you to use just GitHub link, GitHub clone. So just go to any folder and let's open the command line like git bash or any other command line which is supporting to your git, and just simply put here git clone and you path of your repository, and after that it will make a folder there, and now you can see that we have all code there. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to in that folder React Redux Saga, and now let's open this project inside the GitHub VS Code, and for that run code.command, and after that you can see that our code is running there, but you can see that all other folders and files are there, but there is a no node modules folder, because we have to just install them with the npm install command. So let's simply put here npm install, and it will take some 2 or 3 minutes. So within that time, what we can do here, we can also run our database. So let's copy this file from here to outside this project, so that that will be easy to, because if we will run our db file inside the React project, so might be it will conflict with some other commands. That's why we have to just use it outside that our folder, and I am pasting db.json file inside the db folder, and let's open the command line here also, cmd, and now you have to run only one command here, json server -- watch and db.json, and now you can put here port also, port 3500. So what is JSON server, how we can make these fake APIs? The video already placed inside the playlist. If you want to watch that video, that you can watch that. Link is given in the description box for complete playlist. So now let's see that this is working fine or not. Let's check out this API first. So we can run it on the 3500 localhost, and just click on the products, and now you can see that our API is perfectly working fine. There is no issue. So now let's see our node module install or not. So I guess it will take some more time. Alright, so node modules are installed. Now we can see that we have the node modules folder also. So now let's run their last command, which is npm start, and after that we can check and test our product is working fine or not on our local system. Keep in mind guys, if you are running your db on any other folder, like here we run our db on a 3500 port, and this is working fine here. So let's say you are running it on the 400 port and or any other port, then keep in mind that time you have to just put the right port number there, right? So let's say you just provide your DB is running on the 500 port number, then just put here 4500 on both places, right? And that time it will work fine. So I guess our project is started, and now let's see, is it working fine or not within a moment. So here you can see that. So let me add let me search some product. Let's say I just want to search Samsung. Here you can see that only have two product. If I just search with the black color, still this is working fine. So let's say I added some product in the cart and I want to check the cart, and here you can see that details are still working fine. So that's all for this part, and thank you so much for supporting me, and please subscribe my channel, like this video, and provide your valuable comments in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys.